Want to start making money from your Facebook page? Whether it's through ads, stars, or subscriptions, I'll guide you step by step on how to apply for monetization, right from the Facebook app. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any key eligibility requirements. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone. This works the same whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or even a computer. Now, you need to switch from your personal profile to the Facebook page you want to monetize. To do that, tap on the menu icon, bottom right on iPhone or top right on Android. At the very top of the screen, tap the drop-down arrow and switch to your page. Once you're managing as your page, tap on the profile icon again, either from the menu or top left, to go to the page itself. Now here's where the real work starts. From your page's profile, scroll down and tap on the Professional Dashboard. In the Professional Dashboard, you'll see insights, analytics, and more. But what we're looking for is monetization. Scroll down and tap on See All under the Monetization section. Here you'll find all the available monetization tools. Partnership ads, where you can work with brands. Content monetization, this includes ads on Reels and other content. Stars, where fans can tip you during live videos. Subscriptions, if you want to offer exclusive content. Tap on each tool to check your eligibility. For example, if you tap Content Monetization, you'll see an option to express interest and apply if eligible. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tutorials like this. If a feature says this tool isn't available to you, it means you haven't met one or more of the requirements. To check what's missing, just tap Learn More inside that section. You'll see info like required number of followers or engagement, supported countries, community standards compliance. Once you're eligible, apply, and Facebook will review your request. You should hear back in a few days. Once you've applied, come back to the Monetization section in your dashboard to check the status. If approved, you can start setting up ads, stars, or subscriptions and begin earning. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.